Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes. So now we're going to wash our broccoli and cauliflower. So to get started, you're going to put cold water in a bowl. And you're just going to fill it up where you can at least get all of your vegetables covered. So we're going to stop about here. And then you're just going to take your broccoli and cauliflower and place it in the water just like that. And once you have all of your vegetables placed in, you'll just let it sit for about a minute. So now we're going to drain our vegetables. We have our colander right here with a pot underneath to catch all of our water. Any other time you could just place it over the sink, but just for this video purposes, we're going to have a bowl underneath. And you'll just pour them like that. And then we'll place it over here. And drain out our vegetables. And to completely dry them, you're going to want to take a paper towel like so and just kind of pat them and toss them around. To dry them a little bit. Okay, and then to steam our broccoli and cauliflower, you're going to want to have a colander and then a bowl with water underneath and then something to cover it. So here we have a lid, but you can also use a paper towel, a plate, or anything that's microwave safe. So now we're going to show you how to steam some broccoli and cauliflower in the microwave. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the stems pointing outward and the softer part or the fluffier part facing inward. And you're going to want to cover it when you place it in the microwave and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes.
Here's our finished steamed veggies, and you can top that with a little cheese or cheese sauce.